Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing something different. Today I'm going to be showing how to find good entries for day trading and how to use the Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension. I don't usually day trade or swing trade. I usually buy and hold, but I'm going to be doing this just for the purpose of this tutorial. So, okay, what I have here right now is the chart for Stratis versus Bitcoin, and these are the 4-hour candles from Poloniex. Okay, so in the 4 hours candle, I found that Stratis is actually uptrending. So this is the first thing you want to look for. You need to find something that is uptrending. Anything that is downtrending or going sideways, you get out of there. As soon as you see it, you get out of downtrends, you take your loss, and you don't trade downtrends or sideways. But in this case, I found something that is actually uptrending. Now, as you can see, it's we have the waves here, uptrending, and then so this is impulse, retrace, impulse, retrace, impulse, retrace. So it's definitely uptrending, right? Now, how do we find an entry here? Just by looking at it, I see that it's retracing at the moment. It didn't finish retracing, so I'm not going to enter just yet, but we're going to use the Fibonacci to confirm that it will actually most likely bounce. Now, nothing is guaranteed 100%. I always say when I see things like this, if you can find 2 or 3 indicators, you don't use only one indicator to trade. You need to have at least 2 or 3 indicators confirming that the trade is going to be positive. Even with that, you don't have 100% guarantee that you're going to win this trade, but you have more chance. That's what you want. You want to have the probabilities on your side. So to see if this is more likely going to bounce, we go and take the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, and we go from the point A down here where it started bouncing last. Okay, we click and then we drag to the top of this wave. Okay, there. Now we can see that it's about to touch the 61.8 Fibonacci line here, and this is one indicator that it will probably bounce. And not only that, we have the moving average, which is a super reliable indicator, 50-day moving average at the same place with the 61.8 Fibonacci line. So most likely this is going to bounce in this line. Now, it didn't bounce yet, so you want to wait. This is the 4-hour candle, as I said, so you wait until this candle actually touches the line and you start to see one green candle bouncing. When you can actually see the bounce, if it bounces, then you enter the trade. You don't enter the trade before, because this could perfectly keep going down, right? There's no guarantee it's going to bounce, but if you see 1, 2 candles starting to bounce in this Fibonacci line, which is what I'm thinking is going to happen, then you enter the trade. So we have the Fibonacci line here, the moving average in the same point. So this is 2 indicators that are telling you most likely this will bounce, and also we have the RSA that's showing that it's oversold. So it has to go up eventually, right? Okay, so from here we wait until this touches the Fibonacci line, and then we see if it bounces. If it bounces, we enter. Now, what is going to be our target? Because we know if we enter the trade that we need to know where we are going to take profits or where we are going to take the loss, right? So because there's no guarantee this is going to bounce up. If it looks like it's going to bounce but then it goes down, you don't want to lose a lot of money, so you need to have a stop loss somewhere where you're comfortable losing that much money. So to do that, now that we have our entry, I'm gonna put here a line, so this would be our entry more or less. So now I can delete this Fibonacci retracement, and to find the target we need to use the Fibonacci extension. Okay, this one works a little bit different. You have to do 3 clicks. So you click where the wave started, click, then you click right where the top of this wave, always where the candle closes, the highest candle. Don't do it at the in the tail. It has to be where the candle actually closes. It's much more accurate. Okay, one more click, and then the last click, we drag this, and we are going to anticipate that we're going to bounce here, right? We don't know yet. Ideally, I should be doing this when it actually touches and bounces, but then that would be the moment to enter the trade. Because I want to have time to edit this video and put it up on YouTube, you need to have you know, some time for people to watch this video and do the same thing. If I upload the video when it already bounced, then you miss the entry already. So I hope this is clear. So I'm anticipating that it's gonna bounce right in this Fibonacci line that we put there before. So click here, and this is going to give you an estimate of where it's going to bounce. So we have so many lines here, we don't know exactly which line it's going to bounce back down, but at least we have an idea now. Have in consideration that we have the 20-day moving average right above the price. So it could happen. It's very, very possible that it touches this 20-day moving average and it bounces right back down. If it's not able to break above this line, it's going to go back down. So you have to take that risk. Now, if we expect that the price is going to actually break this 20-day moving average, then we have a few more lines here where the price could be going. Because I am very conservative and very tight with my money, I would bet for this one here, for the 0.78. If the price touches this line, I'm taking my profit. Okay, now if the price goes below this line, I'm gonna take my loss very, very quick here. I'm gonna take my loss here because I don't want to lose a lot of money. Okay, sometimes we have it doesn't bounce exactly on the line. Sometimes it will pass the line a little bit before it bounces, so we need to have some room here. But still, we have 3 times more winning if we win than losses here if we lose. So I would take a trade like this. Now, if the price touches this line and I see 1-2 candles confirming that it's bouncing, I'm going to open the trade on Bittrex. And if it continues to go down, then I won't take any trade. So if I take the trade, I will update this in the next video, I guess. So that was all for today, guys. I just wanted to show you how you can find entries and how you can use the Fibonacci retracement to find good entries, and the Fibonacci extension to find the targets. That was all. I'll leave it here. Please, guys, comment. I'm not sure if this is very clear. It's the first time I'm doing a tutorial on trading. Yeah, let me know your feedback, please, and I'll see you soon. Bye.